What's up guys, John Comstock here, and we're going to make another video on Off-Road Outlaws. We're going to see how fast this truck goes today. Well, let's see what happens. Sorry about that, y'all might not have been able to hear it, and go! First gear is kind of bad in this truck, except the second. I guess to go. Oh, Jesus freaking Christ. That person's freaking crazy. Oh yeah, she's scooting today. Usually I don't have a truck this fast, but 100. Oh Jesus. Alright. That was in real wheel drive. Y'all gotta see how small this thing is. Well, don't judge the truck by its height, because this thing can do whatever it wants to. I've taken it on Rockport, Woodlands, and all that, and it's perfectly fine. Except for damage. And well, I'm thinking of using it for Semma. I don't care what y'all say. It's my Semma build. I made it small for a reason. Watch this, man. Dick. Put in first gear and go. Bumping like you said, I love it, man. But guys, I know y'all say don't ever use a small truck for Semma. Bro, why wouldn't I use a small truck for Semma? It looks so cool how I can do that. Oh yeah. I'm not even scooting as fast as I can go. Cause I will die. That's why I had this as the cover photo. I forgot to steer, so it's like this. Should turn the tires so y'all could see the ring. I built this up perfect. Oh well. Oh Jesus. Alright. Hey, epic. Can you move your truck there, sir? Goddamn truck, buddy. Before I run into it and destroy it. Oh yeah. Watch that back foot ramp. Oh Jesus. Flip it around. Hey, y'all ready for this, buddy? Alright guys. I'm about to hit this at an angle. Ooh, first trip like 4 rolls and flips. Ever done in this truck? I've hit 100. I believe this truck can go faster than 100. We'll test it. I don't care if I smack into the wall and destroy it. I think it looks dope as crap. So y'all can't say nothing. Shoot. We're gonna test how fast this thing can go. Watch this, man. How? See, look at that. I have my suspension. Oh dang. Stop it. Set so small. My travel is so little. So I have it literally tiny. So we're gonna back up to the wall and just smack it. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, I gotta get my shifts on perfect. Alright, I see it. I like how it's 4th gear is gonna hit 100. Oh Jesus. Shift to 5th. And 115. Alright guys. I think this is good enough for the speed in 5th gear, because I don't need nothing to go over 115. Only if I'm gonna make it for racing. Well, this is Semma. Why would I need someone to go faster? Well, I'm about to run into this Francis. Are you ready? Whoever this man is. I'm gonna run into their vehicles. Bink! Oh, let's see this. Oh, ooh. Oh, there we go, buddy. Alright, we gotta flip it. Let's see if anybody wants a car show. Hold up. Alright, guys, I just texted everybody and said car and truck shows at Square. Let's see who goes and everything. I'm just gonna be driving the year over there. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Where should I go? Okay. Let's just flip it. Anybody flip it? Goings. Oh my god. I gotta go to this ball. The big ball. Over there. I said Square, but nobody wanted to go to it, so they said big ball. We'll see here. I'm going. I'm sending it. I'm coming in hard. Nobody. That's the person that put that. Are you on Facebook, bro? He put that on Facebook. I like that. I like it. Guys, just saying. Look at what? Oh, god dang it. Damn it. Stupid person. What the fuck is wrong with you? Get out of here. I'm rolling. Alright. Boom, shuffle, like a bang. I shifted in a second. I already can't see nothing. Just a little fall down. Damn it, you freaking idiot. Alright, we'll get to the top. Get to the tippy top. I'll try to send it to the top. Alright, here's the good thing about this truck. I could just start turning. And I could... Bud, come here. Hey, alright guys. So... we'll see here. We're gonna flick this truck into squid. We're gonna hit some dooms, guys. I'm still trying to figure out how to go live, sort of, because it's not letting me. But I'm kind of confused how to, but it's trying to make me sign into everything. I can't do that. So, yeah. Maybe today I figure it out and I might go live sometime. I don't know though. So, let's see here. Where can I go to end off this video? Well guys, don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. And subscribe. And if y'all want me to, we'll start a Semma. I can start a group up on here and make a Semma build and everything like this. Have some big old tires on. And thank you. And goodbye.